Guys, it's me again, Eddie, and I'm here to teach you how to convert minutes and seconds into degrees. Kasi sa trigonometry, kadalasan natin makikita ang ganitong angle. So for example, ito, we have 22 degrees, then 10 minutes, and we have 30 seconds. So, enable for us to solve this kind of problem, dapat i-convert natin yan lahat into degrees. Okay? So, ano ba ang conversion yan? So, ito ang conversion. Yan. So, ang conversion is 1 degrees is equivalent yan siya sa 60 minutes. Then, that is also equivalent to 3,600 seconds. So, bali ang degrees, pakalan siyang 1 hour. No? So, ganyan yung conversion. So, for example, 22 degrees. No? So, we have 22 degrees plus yung 10 minutes, i-convert natin yan into degrees. So 10 minutes times 1 degrees over 60 minutes plus yung 30 seconds, i-convert natin into degrees. So we have 1 degrees is equivalent to 3,600 seconds. So that is equivalent to 22.175 degrees lahat. So ganyan ang pag-convert. Meron pa tayong mga example dito. Halimbawa ito. I-convert do natin guys yung 30 degrees, 20 minutes, and 12 seconds into degrees, gradients, and mils. So first, i-convert muna natin into degrees. Okay, so conversion, we have first 30 degrees plus 20 minutes, i-divide na lang natin diretso sa 60. Then plus 12 seconds, divide to 3,600 seconds. And this is equivalent to 30.337. So we have 30.337 degrees lahat. Atin na lang i-round off into 30.34 degrees. Okay. Next, convert natin into gradient. So, para ma-convert into gradient, dapat yung value natin is naka-degrees na. So, we have already the 30.34 degrees. So, ano bang conversion yan to radian? Okay, conversion is 360 degrees, that is equivalent to 400 gradient. Yan. So, yung 30.34 degrees, i-multiply lang natin into 400 gradient over 360 degrees. Pwede rin, ang conversion nyo is 180 degrees equivalent to 200 gradient. Pwede rin. Yan. And this is equivalent to 33.71 gradient or grad. Yan. Okay, so dito na naman tayo sa mils, no? Convert natin sa mils. So ganun pa rin, dapat enable for us to convert into mils, naka-degrees dapat yung angle natin. So we have already that 30.34 degrees. So maglagay muna tayo ng space. Yan. So ano ba ang conversion into mils? So ang conversion niyan class is yung 360 degrees, that is equivalent to 6,400 mils. Ganyan. So kung meron tayong 30.40 at 34 degrees, multiply lang natin sa 360, baliktad. 6,400 mils over 360 degrees. And that is equivalent to 539.38 mils. Okay, so yan yung conversion niya. Okay? Next, proceed tayo dito sa complementary at saka supplementary angle. So ano ba yan? When we say complementary angle, that is the two angles whose measures add up to exactly 90 degrees. For halimbawa ito, pag i-sum up natin tong angle alpha at saka angle beta, that is equivalent to 90. So therefore, ang complement angle ng beta is alpha. And vice versa, ang complement angle ng alpha is beta. So meron tayong sample problem dito. Halimbawa ito. What is the complementary angle of beta which is equivalent to 25 degrees? So to get the complementary angle of beta which is yung alpha, ganito na yung equation niya, no? 90 degrees is equivalent to beta plus alpha. So ano ba yung value ng alpha? So we have 90 equals beta, we have 25 plus alpha. Transpose yung 25, we get the value of alpha, no? And alpha is equivalent to 65 degrees. So ito yung complementary angle ng beta which is 25 degrees. So simple lang, no? Dito naman tayo sa supplementary. Yan. Supplementary are two angles whose measures add up to exactly 180 degrees. So meron tayong graph dito, no? We have an angle of 180 degrees all in all. And that is composed of angle beta and angle alpha. So, ang supplementary ng angle beta is yung alpha. And vice versa naman, ang supplementary ng angle alpha is yung beta. For example, what is the supplementary angle of alpha? So, ganun pa rin yung process, no, sa pagka-solve. 180 is composed of beta plus alpha. Ilagay nyo lang yung value ng alpha. So, we have 180 equals to beta plus 87. Transpose 87, we get the value of beta. And beta is equivalent to 93 degrees. And that's all for this video. I hope you learned something new. And see you again for my next video. Thank you guys.